वेट गेन, वेट लॉस, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, ब्लोटिंग और कुछ और क्या क्या आई डोंट नो, ये सारी चीजें आर साइड इफेक्ट्स और IVF. Is it? Let's find out. I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and fertility doctor, and we are going to talk about side effects of IVF. Now, as we know that IVF is divided into 4 different stages, and now I'm going to tell you each and every side effect associated to each and every stage. Stage number 1, hormonal injection stage, stage of stimulation, stage of egg formation. How do we do that? By giving external hormones. These hormones are given in the form of injections. I know injections का बहुत डर है, but these injections are hormonal injection, but these injections are not new to your body. The hormones which are there in these injections are already known to your body. आपकी body के अंदर FSH और LH already होता है. वो FSH and LH सिर्फ एक या 2 egg formation कर सकता है. So we know that we need more eggs for IVF success. That is why we have to give extra hormones. Now, as we know, बहुत सिंपल है. उन 10 दिनों में जिन दिनों में इंजेक्शन लगेगा, आपकी बॉडी का हार्मोन लेवल बेसलाइन से बहुत ऊपर उठा होगा. So hormonal condition, hormones body में can cause discomfort, can cause bloating, can cause slight fluid retention, can cause weight gain, but can also cause mood swings or depression. थोड़ा stress हो सकता है आपको. You might be prone to more stress. So the moment these hormones go out of your body, you are back to normal और कुछ भी problem नहीं होती है. Stage number 2, further I will divide it into 3 different phases. Pre-procedure means egg pickup से पहले वाला time कुछ नहीं होगा, just थोड़ा सा bloating हो सकता है because you formed so many eggs. अगर आपके eggs ज़्यादा हैं तो ovaries बहुत bulky हो सकती हैं, discomfort हो सकता है, capsule because ovary काफ़ी बड़ी हो जाएगी तो outer layer of the ovary can stretch and can cause pricking sensation, discomfort, heaviness in the lower abdomen, but कुछ भी major नहीं है, nothing to worry about. Sometimes you also feel nausea or vomiting or some pukish feeling हो सकती है, but that's also not major. Now out of all of these things, now you can also assess कितना side effect होता है इसका. Procedural, yes, at the time of procedure, sometimes operative complications, there are known complications, but we will not go into details of that. So just immediately after procedure, you might have some pain in the lower abdomen, though you will be sedated for next 2-3 hours. कोई ज़्यादा pain नहीं होगी. We give injections intraoperative. बहुत ज़्यादा pain और discomfort नहीं होती, but in few people with lots and lots of eggs. So post procedure you might have some discomfort in the lower abdomen. Immediately surgery से बाहर निकले हो, आप sedated हो गए, थोड़े emotional भी हो जाते हैं patients इस time पे, then कई बारी पेन भी हो रहा होता है लोअर एब्डोमेन में, तो बहुत बार वी गिव पेन किलर्स इंट्राऑपरेटिव ऑल्सो, पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव ऑल्सो, so that the post procedure period is absolutely comfortable for you. But people with more number of eggs sometimes has more symptoms, so nothing to worry about. There is a condition known as OHSS. I will not go into details of that because that is the condition which is rare and which can happen to very less patients. So that is a known condition, but that only most commonly happens in patients with PCOS. Stage number 3, ये हमारे लिए डॉक्टर के लिए ज़्यादा critical है than patient, because we also want on the day of transfer, we also want good looking, nice embryos, fully grown, 5A quality blastocyst, and तभी मज़ा आता है transfer करके, because we also want our IVF to be successful. But if you talk about side effects, इस procedure की कोई side effect नहीं होते. It's very minimalistic, simple process. It's just like going in and going out of the OT. कुछ इतना problem नहीं होती. Stage number 4, post embryo transfer procedure, थोड़ा सा emotionally draining होता है. बहुत सारी medicines हम देते हैं, progesterone, tablets, injection, gel, वो record रखते ही सब भूल जाते हैं, परेशान हो जाते हैं. But all of these medicines and injections are important because in IVF pregnancy we have to substitute all the hormones from outside, क्योंकि body के natural pregnancy के hormones बनने में अभी time लगता है. जब hormones इतने सारे body में circulate करते हैं तो obviously we know discomfort तो रहेगा ही. Some bloating, some nausea, vomiting, constipation, weight gain, fluid retention, known problems हैं. बट इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकती. हाँ, सो ओनली वन साइड इफेक्ट आई कैन से हियर इज दैट यू विल बी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड लॉट ऑफ इंट्रामस्कुलर इंजेक्शन, जो बटक पे लगते हैं वो वाले इंजेक्शन. It is difficult to take every alternate day, every fourth day. It depends on your case. If sometimes we give every day, alternate day, every fourth day, but you might have sore buttocks. इसके अलावा I don't know any other side effect honestly, but so more than physically I feel IVF is mentally and emotionally challenging. थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है by the time result की wait हो रही होती है, but my advice would be कि side effect को सोच के उसके बारे में गलत लोगों से बात करके myths में घुस के आप अपने treatment को delay मत करो. There is a right time when you should go to the doctor, meet right fertility doctor, and I'm sure you will definitely achieve your desired parenthood. And I'm sure you'll get pregnant and meet your little ones soon. So please go and meet your doctor. Please don't delay. गलत बातों में मत आओ. Bye.